Hi, Simon from Flint and Flame here. Today's recipe, we're going to be doing a nice tomato stew with some cod loin, chorizo and butter beans. We're going to be doing it all in the Flint and Flame chef pan. It's a one-pot dish, very tasty, and it's going to take about 20 minutes. Hope you enjoy. First thing to do is preheat your chef pan on the hob and add a little bit of olive oil. Dice your onions finely and then add to the hot pan. Fry your onions until soft. Add garlic puree and chorizo and fry until nice and coloured. Remove the chorizo because we'll add that later. What we're after is that flavoured oil. Add 1 can of chopped tomatoes followed by the sugar, salt and a can of water. Now simmer for 7 to 8 minutes to cook the tomatoes through and reduce it. Now it's time to add your butter beans. Season your cod fillets and pop on top of the stew, and it's time to return the chorizo to the pan. Cover with a lid. Then bring it to the boil and simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. So there you have it guys, a lovely light stew packed full of flavour. I've been using the Flint and Flame chef pan. It's not only great for sautéing but also steaming and poaching. Hope you enjoy the recipe.